And this time I'm going to talk about the surface area of a cylinder. So the formula for surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi r squared plus 2 times pi times radius times the height. So when you have a cylinder, and don't judge my drawing, you get the idea. Why are there 2's here? Because there's 2 circles, a top and a bottom. In the particular example you guys had, you had 7 meters as the radius and 11 meters as the height. So you're going to want to write down your givens. And we see the radius is a 7 and the height is 11. Now, pi can either be 22/7 or 3.14. How do you know which one to use? Take a look at the radius and the height. If they're multiples of 7, you want to use 22/7. So now that we have our givens and our formula, we just plug it in. So we have 2 times 22/7, because that's pi, times the radius, which is 7 squared. Instead of writing 7 squared, I'm going to write 7 times 7 to remember that it's not 7 times 2, it's 7 times 7 anytime you square something. Then you have plus 2 times the pi again, plus times the radius times the height. When you do that, you're going to be able to cancel out one of the 7's here. So you're left with 2 times 22, which is 44, times 7, which is 208. And then we're going to cancel out these 7's, and you have 2 times 22. But actually, I'm going to do 2 times 11, which gives me 22 squared. And those of you who have your perfect squares memorized, 22 squared is 484. Now you have 208 plus 484. Remember that it's in meters squared.